What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to inflate a flat wheel with a CO2 cartridge and an adapter. I'm going to bring the camera in closer so you can see the process. Okay, before we're going to inflate the wheel, make sure that your adapter is closed off. Clockwise is closed, anti-clockwise is open. Make sure it's closed. Now we're going to turn in the CO2 cartridge into our adapter. It will make a small pop sound, and make sure it's in all the way, otherwise the air is just going to leak out of that overflow hole over there. So it's tight. Let's quickly head to the wheel. Once we're at the wheel, locate your valve and open the front part completely until it stops. Now you're going to screw in your adapter clockwise over the valve and make sure it is completely in. We're going to open the adapter now. This part is going to get extremely cold because it's pressurized CO2 air. I'm going to open it and you'll see the wheel is going to inflate. Okay, so we're going to turn it anti-clockwise. And the wheel is inflated. After this step, if you're not in an emergency, I would recommend checking the tire pressure with a pump that has a decent gauge so you can see the pressure properly. If you're in trouble, this is the easiest way to just get on the road again and your wheel inflated to ride further. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel for more tips. Once this is off, remember to close your valve core tightly, otherwise it's going to leak air and dust is going to go in there. Thanks for watching.